on the bed.
Don't go right now.
I'm going.
I can't.
Oh, really? You're going? Then turn it off! No, wait, what do I do with this?
Oh,
Okay, you got
Shell.
Wait. It's so retarded. I can't get it. I can't get it out.
It's because it melted inside that stupid egg in my mouth. Are you really playing it?
Oh, then stop it.
No, just leave it because if you stop it, we're going to go all the way around the world.
Put the egg in your mouth next.
What? Okay.
Hurry up and open it. I'm like,
Hurry up! Go!
I just licked it.
Ready?
No, I'm not ready. No, I can't go. Oh my gosh, it's gonna like fly and I was yeah.
Go!
What? No, I can't.
Just do it.
You know, this is disgusting.
Icky.
I think I could throw up.
Well, this is not blue, okay? Okay, I got it.
Is it still sour?
Don't puke.
No, I'm just making faces for nothing.
Okay, eat it so you can put the egg. We're doing a video.
Oh my god, it's chopping my throat off.
You okay?
It's like right here because I can't taste it anymore because I don't want to because I'm eating it.
Great, chew it.
No, back in here. Seriously.
Is it sour still? Okay, I'm gonna stop it, okay?
I can't find it.
I'm gonna stop it, okay?
Oh, is it sour and then sweet?
Once it's done sour, it's actually kind of good. I'm stopping it now.
Why not? It hurt. That's good.
I'm stopping it now.
Like
My tongue goes. It
Yeah.
tastes like lipstick.
How do you know what lipstick tastes like?
Okay, get the egg.
Ready, this is Nikki.
Wait, I gotta
Eating
get
it. I still have it in my mouth.
Well, I'm getting
Here,
close
hold
up.
it.
Ew, no. I'll get a close up.
No, don't.
I already did.
Go away, though. Go away.
I'll get Mom Maria.
Okay. What? I'm Chelsea.
Doing a video. Can't come now.
Are you done yet?
No.
But you just
Just
stopped.
pause it. Put it on pause.
How?
I don't know. Just looking at
You're
your
ignorant.
pause.
Egg time.
I can't. I'm not done with my candy.
Eat it.
What?
Bye, guys.
Yeah, little.
Can you see?
It's already 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
That's why I
Oh,
told
3
you.
minutes.
That's why I told you to
No?
stop it before because it's too long and we're just doing nothing. No.
We'll get a different one of you with the egg.
Okay.